Hi everyone. Just going through the couple of setups I took this week. So the first one is the USD Swissy, and for this one, so we had the fib down here and 61.8% fib. This is the weekly time frame. So over here we use daily and weekly time frames to determine the direction of the trade, and we had multiple reasons here. A major level here at 0.95, and I had my entry down here, so it's a bit more clear on the daily. And I had my entry down here at 0.94990, and my stop initially was just below down here 76 pips. And as I'm speaking at the moment, I just took off. I had a 0.50 lot on there, so I just closed uh, almost three-fourths of the trade, and I'm leaving some profit to run, and I adjusted my stop, just trying to risk less. So now my stop is around 30 pips, and this has done around 60 odd pips. So I'm waiting to close this around here to get around another 90 pips out of it. So let's see where that goes, and then I'll close the rest of my trade. The second one I had was the CAD Swissy. So again, multiple reasons down here for the trade. We had the 200 moving average, 55 moving average, and the monthly 55 EMA. So I had my entry down here and I had my stop around here. So that was 60 odd pips. At the moment, it's only around 24 pips. So I haven't taken my profit off here. I wanted this to do at least another maybe 100 pips, and then I will take my profit off. The last time I took this, it went on to do 136 pips. My entry was a little lower down here to the EMAs, so I managed to get around 144 pips out of that. But that was around a month ago, I think now. So let's see where this one goes. Let's hope to get another 100 pips out of this, and that would be a really good week. Thank you. Hey guys, just making a short video. Um, so I'm gonna take my profit off now for on my two pairs. So the first one I have is a cat Swissy, which is currently around 70 pips in profit. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that. So close cat Swissy, and then the USD Swissy, which I am now around 110 pips in profit. So I'm gonna go ahead and also close this order, and that's 110 and 70 pips. So that's altogether around 180 pips for the week. Thank you.